Someday I wish upon a star, wake up with a thought far behind. We're traveling up to like a landing ground, high above the pavement, like that's where you find me. Oh, far away over the rainbow.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, join us in welcoming the Manila Hunts, South American Sea Lions.
All right, let's give it up for our Sea Lion fans. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a beautiful entrance. Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. Anyway, I'm Trainer Rochelle, and I'd like you to meet my friends, together with their trainers, one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have, and she is the pretty Yas. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis, together with trainer Mikey. Say hi. And on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And that's named her the Queen Ludes. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira, together with trainer Sean. Say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why are they called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their brown flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinudas may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater, from place to place, right, ladies? And you know, they often mistake it as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a seal lion is the fact that they have bigger brown flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can pop up right while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. But a round of applause for Isis and Aida.
Clap daw, Nay, clap.
And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for sea lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense the touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! or to prevent regulation from rainwater. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, flock rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities that can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Truly strong frog keepers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movements of their front fingers. While their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders or steering. And that is their normal swing. Nice and easy. Thanks so much, Ivan, for your fun. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve reverse crowd tip. Ready? 2.5 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. Come on, guys, another round of applause for Isis. Great job, Isis. Wow, nice guys. Oh, clap one more down. Here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yep, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be used of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Ladies, trainers, are you ready? Well, then, salute. Now let's march. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, hot, salute. This time, could you please join our sea lions in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute, and let's make this one loud. People on the ground, are you ready?
Yes.
Come on, guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Wow, thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Let's go, guys. Okay, that's first. Their wings. Go ahead and give their wings, ladies. And they got it. A round of applause for Isis and Ira. Wow, great job, ladies. And on other one, they asking for it. Okay, so trainers, what's next? The ball. How do you think they kill the ball? It's a balance. All ladies, almost there. Careful. Steady. Fantastic. Another round of applause for Sea Lion Friends. Wow, excellent work, ladies. Okay. I think we got everything. The ball in the ring in the ball. Now let's move on. You know what, guys? Here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 5 South American sea lions. Finish on. I was stopping you. What she wants? Fish. Okay, give her some. Can I continue now? Okay. As I was saying, here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 5 South American sea. Uy, she's stopping you again. Maybe she wants to say something. Meron daw. Come on, Ira. Bumulong. What did you say? She said we are not yet done, and why? Oh, there's one more missing object. Are you sure about that, Ira? Okay, let's ask Isis. Ate, is there one more? No more?
No more.
Me. Okay, let's ask the Ira? Well, I think it's a mission for us to search that missing toy gun. Let's go! Vámonos! It's a mission impossible. Ooh. Is it there? Nothing. Well, keep on looking. Come on, don't scratch the word triggers. Keep on searching. Keep on crawling. Come on, guys, let's find that missing toy gun. Where is that toy gun music? Okay, let's have that. So, trainers, ladies, and the side of the camp. Still nothing. Come on, guys, what are you doing? Keep on looking. Hoy, Ira! Junior Mikey, let's have things first. Come on, ate. Sir, one more. Sir, one more, ate. Wala na. Come on, Ira, tell us. What did you say? Should have found it or prove it to us. I think screaming Ira can find the gun. Wala na. Okay, let's wait for Ira. And there she is. She found it. A round of applause for Ira. Mission accomplished. Nako guys, may malungkot po. And another one for us as well to cheer up. Come on guys. It's okay, ate. Come on, smile. This time, would you love to see a dance number from our Silon friends? Come on guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, you sing, maestro. Let's move it. Love yourself, Nicole, come on. Come on, guys. Let's show them the side by side. And Libra dancing. Come on, let's rock and roll. Into the wonder valley. Twisted and turning. Around the world we go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Come on guys, let's move on. Yeah, shake, shake, shake. And our favorite part, the booty shake. Shake those booties. Shake the trainers. Yeah. Keep on going. Alright, ladies, show them what you got. People on the court, ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady. Arriba. And for the finale. Steady. Come on, let's go. Yeehaw! A round of applause for Isis and Ira. And for the trainers as well, that big dance number. This is me. Thanks so much, ladies and trainers. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newborn friends, South American Sea Lions, Isis and Ira. And we also hope that even after the week, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that while we're here on land, we can affect our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any animals, cannot survive the natural environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival. happen all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our ocean, are you? Always keep in mind we're the steward of our planet and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Isis and Trainer Mikey, Aida and Trainer Sean, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Silang friends. Bye! By the way guys, if you love to have more photos with our Silangs and birds, please approach our photographer over there at the exit area. Thank you.